Okay, so I'm gonna start this video out just with some things I have to say. For one, don't mind my hair. I don't judge your hair. Probably because I can't see your hair. But anyway, I know it's a mess, and I'm too lazy to fix it. Okay? So if I get if Thank you. What was I gonna say? Don't you love how I seem to make every video funny without editing it?
Pictures on that burp?
What do you mean pictures?
Yeah.
No, I didn't see you. It just heard a big oh. Yeah. I got 83 views on my burping grandma video.
Is that good?
Yeah. It's like 5, like your voice is in the video for like maybe a minute, that's it. And it got 83 views. Cause I'm pro. But you know what I don't understand? Do people randomly or think about searching burping grandmothers? That's what I'd like to know. Do people just search, like when they're bored, do they just go on YouTube and search for videos of people's grandmothers burping? That's what I'd like to know. Like, really? I remember what I was gonna say. I'll just put a like a little link somewhere. A little link, you know, like a little comment box. You know, one that goes like, it's a square, and then it stops like right there, and then it goes like a little cone. And then it's got like, here, I'll draw you a picture. I'm trying a piece of paper.
Sadie, what are you doing?
Oh no.
What?
Guess what?
Don't you be sick on the couch? You?
Thought I was gonna say pee lunch. What was I gonna draw? Oh. And you know how it's like. It's got like that. And it's got the words and shizness. That's like this. And it hangs on the screen. And it's like, ooh, she's saying something. Look at that, she's saying something. So, YouTube. We haven't talked in a while. Let's start out with some small talk. So, how's the weather where you are? Leave a comment. Thank you. The weather where I am. It sucks. I'm in Canada. Canada. The city of Canada that I am in is known for its very bad winters. And guess what? Guess what? Guess what? It's raining outside because it's April. You know, April, rain month, stuff like that. Yeah. So it was raining. I went shopping today. Oh, do you want to see the earrings I bought? Stay there. Stay there. I'll be right back. I'll make a second video. Second part of this video. My ear's so freaking itchy. Aren't I beautiful? Today at school, I was so pale. I was like, I'm dead. Oh my gosh. Look at my hair. Isn't it awesome? Awesome today. It's like all wavy and she's. And I didn't even scrunch it or nothing. So I'm happy. I have a whole lot of videos that need to be edited and uploaded. Like, I must have like 20. I'm not even kidding. And I'm just too lazy. Why do you think? I have a, what the heck is it called? That's not even a channel.
I know.
She types in 217. It's not even a channel. We don't even have that channel.
I don't know what I could watch.
Put on 113. Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Oh my gosh, I love them.
Oh,
Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Don't you know who they are?
how could that boy want to go out with you? Crazy.
Mother! Doesn't even talk to me! And YouTube doesn't know. He doesn't want to go out with me. I denied his request on Facebook and in real life. What if I got bangs like this? Like, what if I really got bangs? And they kind of like, they were curly. And then I look sexy with bangs. Oh my gosh. I now want bangs. Mama, can I cut my bangs?
What?
I'm really tempted to cut my bangs.
Like on my job.
No, like, you know how when I was little I always had? Mom, you know when I was little? When I always had bangs like that? That's what I mean, like, but like long like that so that I could still put them to the side or something. Oh, a pain just went through my ribs.
And he wants to go out with you.
My grandmother lovely when she jokes. Wait, I want everyone to see you.
Oh my
So he's
goodness,
gonna be
that
on
looks
you.
so beautiful.
You do? Oh my gosh! Look at the camera, not me.
Yeah, my goodness. Who'd want to go out with you?
Mother!
So goofy.
Gosh. I gotta pee. Can you entertain them?
There.
Burping Grandma! Ah! That's freaking awesome. I'm gonna get another 100 hits.
What do you get when you get all that?
Nothing, but it's just that 83 people watched my video. That's freaking awesome! Just gotta say. I'm gonna stop this video and then I'm gonna make a part 2 of this video because I really gotta pee.
Well, go on.
Goodbye, YouTube. Say bye, Mom.
Bye. Talk to you later.